Welcome to my channel Alex Bine. Jeep is preparing to premiere the next generation of its Compass compact crossover SUV. The Compass will get more angular body styling. It has a grille of a brand's traditional shape, while its upper part will have 7 strokes of LED lighting according to the number of its segments. The headlights are now a simple shape, almost rectangular, and they will have the original LED lights graphics. The new Jeep Compass will be built on the STLA Medium platform. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my channel.